team, Dr. out and they say, Dr. Bawumia is leading. And based on the post Rabba Bonteno, there is nothing that can stop the winning team, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, the team no winning. And we are winning with huge margin against Yura, Kennedy, or Hene, agyapong. Now we enye ade bia me na makotremba bi na mabuku na me ba ka kire wo. Na mbom no wiase na ye won yesi obia no. E won ne bre, bibia e won ne bre, osenkani ne ka ye. Bibia e won ne bre. Se wo bre nya nuru ya, emprepre ho nkofa de bi nhye okon because okofa hye okon a unya nipa mpom omomsom mo emane ye. That is what is actually happening. This time is for Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, and nothing, listen to the word I'm saying, I'm using. Nothing can stop Doctor from winning these elections. These premises, you know, a done deal for Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Ono ne be winning, no winning we because everything is vindicating, everything is showing credit. Say, Doctor, I'm winning the premise we. Now, what I also want to ask you now, oye wa adwene say Dr. Ntime win Ghana presidential election because Dr. Bawumia Kramoni, Dr. Bawumia Daka oye Mamprusini on free akamai mono. Oye very big mistake. Because John Mahama Tigana kunyasu onya kani ba. Enso odiga na konya oteso ono na ene sabisabio sede ekoso enye ne papa mu nyina no ono mom na tiga na konya no so oyedan oh dear. So why can you tell me say Mahama can be the president of the republic and Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia cannot be? Among the two, ye disankrofo me no we gina no yekese hwe omonim na choose whom do you think he has good rumor, good sense in his mind to apply them on the land. You and me know directly say when we comes of policy implementations, taking the sufferance of the people on your boat, now also over there is no one that is stronger than Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia in this republic that we are. And now me no say ye can politicians or more Ghana my more din pa nipa mienu. There are only two people. Your Dr. Bawumia free MPP amanyokum and a John Dramani Mahama free NDC amanyokum. Now the entire maker said this is the time that the MPP must to listen to the voices of what? Of the unseen people. No mumfa abanianoma doctor. And he say John Dramani Mahama is going. After these 4 years, 2028, Mahama we are on a Ghana man yourself in terms of leadership in a party and also leadership in the country. No, on a Ghana man Eddie or Mubi Bia Banawi, Mahama cannot go on third time. The constitution has stated it clearly. And Mahama we know qua the NDC now must to find somebody new to come and represent the country, the party called the NDC. What is going to happen? What is going to happen is say the NDC must to waste a lot of time to market that new person. Yate say it could be Asiedun Ketia. Yate say it could be Julius Debra. Yate say even Atu Forcing also is forcing himself to be among this list of people who are interested in leading the NDC in 2028. Yet they are not too so. None of them or popular in terms of politics in Ghana than Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. So when will the NDC market this man, one out of these four, to the point to say, over to me, I'm winning the elections 2028. It is something impossible. And remember, say, by the history and by science, Ghana, Yaman Yosem no. was some fun too. Tim Suno say politics. It is not only politics, it is also science and it is also history. And remember, say history always repeat itself. What does it mean? The actually say by the history of our Ghana politics, it has never been any president, anybody that has been able to run for presidency at once. One way that all of them has gone 2 or 3 times before they were able to secure the presidency. It is NDC for a new candidate. That candidate is lucky of winning the seat, lower than Dr. Bawumia. Wa running for presidency 2024. Now what science running vice presidential candidate for 4 good times in this Ghana politics. And if MPP actually want to succeed in winning the 2028 elections, we have the person that we must to take him, and the victory will be like an automatization. A better solid win, and a better very fast, a better intact at once. Because Dr. Bawumia no nenam hono, ene uko Ghana maimu. Now Kobisa say, who is the vice president of the Republic of Ghana? Many people will still tell you, say Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Many people, in fact, some Ghanaians don't know even who is the vice president of the country. They are still not aware of the fact to say government has changed, that Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia is no longer a presidential or what they call a vice president of the state. Adentia, this is because of the competence that this man show. This is because of political fame what he acquired within his time. Amana Jidin, Amana Babaye, somebody that is what they call famous in Ghana politics. It is NPP for some person among winning this time there. The person that they can take him and win by force victory with huge image. And one Dr. Bawumia. Because me ma UTM. Me say bia o Canada Japan supporter. Me no ni problem. Ubetime bra champion supporter. Me no ni problem. But I think say we have one common goal as MPP people. What is our goal? Our goal is to succeed in winning the 2028 election. Said the beya MPP amanyoku no ebeye amanyoku a obe provide president the Ghana mine in 2028. Now say ye common goal no the nyina ye hwehwe no ene say MPP amanyoku no the representative ebedi Ghana mine so dia, then we don't have to go anywhere, because ye go nipa ye di kan ye ne ho adwuma ya ton no ya bɔ ne ho dawura magana fo atene nka wa ye ne nyuma ma ne nyuma bɔ ne din di akyerɛ ɔman no nipa the all year as a vice president no, none of the previous vice president abagana mamu na timayi mana ayeye da opipia ni ho Ghana mamu a or say what is a year vice president bidding Esra Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. In fact, the NDC are even fear. The NDC for no is slow Dr. Bawumia pa. Why are they afraid of Dr. Bawumia? It is only one thing, because someone said Dr. Bawumia emomo can kind of say headache pa. He's the only person as a vice president, NDC started targeting him when he was a vice presidential running mate. Vice presidential running mate as a candidate. That is when the NDC started targeting him. Why? Because they know his competency. They know how he's formidable. They know how he's good in managing economy. They know how he is good in economic management. So they are fear and they are afraid of him. And they know that Dr. Bawumia is somebody that have solution for everything. Me babunyan to us, a Kennedy microphone, Benjamin dear. Obia Benjamin de Kakra. Obia Benjamin dear. And this phone him how Dr. Bawumia can mash them. How Dr. Bawumia can squander their asses. They know very well. So they started targeting him very long time ago. Now, Ghana from opposition party mpo any these qualities about our manner. Then why are we trying to deceive ourselves with some names like Kennedy Agyapong, whose idea is just to come and create distraction in the party? Dr. Bawumia Abedi vice president for 8 years. In 8 years of Dr. Bawumia vice presidency, every single Ghanaian can admit to say he or she benefited from his policies as a vice president. Kwame Kwajo Kwabena Kennedy Agyapong adi MP for 24 years. Unima MP eye mrahye badwani omo no mo hye mra ema omo no mutumi ma policy ebeye effective e wo Ghana man mo omo no mutumi introduce ideas in the parliament ya parliament mitumi ye den e pass man beye mra e wo Ghana man mo. I'm asking you, have you heard ever say in the 24 years of Kennedy Agyapong in the parliament otimi sorry one day edi adwin bi ba say aban engine tum emfa me yemra e wo Ghana man mu da uti bi da ebian sida enye ne photo onim wo de me say enye dan enye ne photo onim enye se bi onim na odi bo atimodene onim wabon Kennedy wabon oye skani beto wabon wabon se sika de enye school na yede nye sika obetumi ato therapy aton obetumi ato fish aton obetumi ato nton ne ma obetumi ama banya ma contract na watwi do josopo eno ti mo be skani but me bisa say 24 years of Kennedy Agyapong in parliament no, how many times no say Kennedy Agyapong timi so di gina ne nan so otimi so di gina ne nan so one day can say for me as a Menesha Bedwani a mewo parliament we a medwene Ghana man ho, I believe we say Ghana man yemfa emra we mra na mo Ghana fo uti bi da wan ti bi da adentia he lacked that. Now men can say bin trans na yakọ videos na wo ha mebo ahye na de agye ani no ma ba be bo akyerɛw minya be ma running a country of 32 or 34 million people is completely different from running a company that BSC afa 7,000 workers. Temiye pa omamu no amanchechiriye leadership in a leadership as a president of a country no minya be mai enye yesamasayo enye yesamasayo enye ntiatiamu enye ye mamenhwe enye show off enye intellectual discussion any dialogue any the govern a country eye nyansa bi ena ede chichiro oman eye nyansa bi na etumi de kwose dan mu dwene ede mmara bi no mo ba ema nipa dasani ho to no enye sebio ene makoto na the world free China aba beton anya so mfaso ntino I qualify to lead the country mo yare ana. What is wrong with you guys? Bisa say adentia the MPs omoka parliament hono ene omo nyina omo sidelined Kennedy Agyapong. The majority about 85% nyina de omo ho ayeden akodon Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Can also more interest in winning the election than me and you. Can also minimum manyosem emunsem bebre echen menewo Ka wo so omo amanyosem adwene eho nyansa ne hom nim de bebre eche mene wo. But why did they decided to go and support Yewura Dr. Bawumia? It's because of the omo hu no papa no. The omo hu ni mu as a quality, leadership quality, political leadership quality ni mu, the intellectual way of approaching issues and solving them. And then na muswa sabio MPs no more parliament hono omo nyina so di Dr. Bawumia chi ene yentumi namba bi ka say ene establishment bi ani babia by your personal choice. What? By your personal choice. Because even the MPs no name say NDC4 is to Dr. Bawumia. And NDC4 nankasa name say Dr. Bawumia sitting in as the presidential candidate for the MPP, it is going to give them a hard knock to break it, because Dr. Bawumia is someone credible and people know him for his credibility. Everyone, anyone, any person that went out on the 2024 election to vote for Dr. Bawumia knew why he went out there to vote for Dr. Bawumia. And Sankrofono, Omumu Biani 2028, Uncle Twabam Farmer Dr. Bawumia. Because they were loyal to Dr. Bawumia because of his performance and his leadership quality. Demiyepa, enti monkrofo binoma yetwetwe sika mamoa jiminti nokrene da ho na mose monka jiminti yewo who to leaders na mose mompe na mo peye samasa achiakodie no eyemo amugyegireje. But the real members of the party, the MPP main people in the party, no, we are going to support Dr. Bawumia to win these elections and come and win over any candidate. Dan kwama for amanyofo ajimifo nkurasefo no de beba no yetimi achi omo abro omo kama ena me no ka say sema Dr. Bawumia kan when we were in power, and Dr. Bawumia promised to do when he comes in power, no, majority of them has been taken by the NDC. Abra Omono, under the time that they were in opposition, they never talk about it. And they are copying, and they are copying them and renaming and rebranding the ideas of Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Yekoka amose mayenka. Yeko papa onim kwan yefa so kofa nema free China bagana beto. Ebeton. Ono yenko fa nemra. Na buju se nyina yare. Yenyade kura. We are going to showcase the reason why none of your cheap propaganda na moye no hono ebetima broke Dr. Bawumia the winning team eba to second career ye be win 2028 2026 primaries no ne asia kon win 2028 election no ye ba ne aba ba chire mu nyina something that you can never underestimate it. Mamenchi atiefo na yemfa adwumadie na nkasa enhyehyɛ so we na ye only tease of I we ye tease of nti meso se wo ba ye no ebia na ohwɛ me na unya nhye ya meso se share video no mame like video no mame na subscribe to the channel say ne na your first time waba platform we so a medin any Ras Media ye Kennedy Agyapong Jr. on Facebook nso mo hwɛ me ɛwɔ hɔ na mame mfa nkyia kese ma Miriam background say J Miriam Elekadunsia and me mama Jennifer Edu and Sami Jasi from Hamburg. Mechia ye pa I so na Miriam Elekadun so say the John Mahama NDC are afraid of Dr. Bawumia. Yeah, that is very true and it's very honest. Well, Mami here amanfo and the Dusty Junior Mechia, Sambe Mechia, Asemba Prosper Mechia, okay Florence Mechia, Miriam Yahaya Alhassa Mechia, brother Zome Zongo Mechia. And Solomon Johnson honso mechia mecheche tiefo nyina afei ene eba abehye dwumadie na ase afei ene yeba abehye dwumadie no ase abusuamfo enna yekoda sore ya yesi akwa na yefe ne Musa Dankwa ati se munyina mu ne Musa Dankwa yeko election 2024 otimi eye den eka nipa obenwe elections with the percentage no yesode anopa papa we ede sa pool what them call ede pool we abeto ho se ne research a waye kire se Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia is winning hands down. Temiyepa, I see 52% of the MPP delegates prefer Dr. Bawumia as flag bearer. Ken Agyapong tries with 17% global info analytics pool. Temiyepa. Oh, Andy, Mbuazufu, I want to say, when I'm saying Biaboko, Temiyepa, 52% of the MPP delegates prefer Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia as a flag bearer. Kennedy Japan tries with 17% global info analytics. Na temiye pa suppose we are by me myself I see it say Dr. Bawumia will get even more than 52% of the outcome of the next election, the promise. Temiye pa me I'm say like a video mama na share mama na yenko yanim aye and na me ye ni say ma me fa link no to ha na wa ope bia join na nso be kire wa adwen wo sa asem we ya de abeto because asem no mu e dem ayempa Dr. Bawumia comes for there asem de pa na ba beto nti link na me de ato so utimi fure utimi wuram na wa be kire wa adwen asaba na me kan say to me post we ya ba beto ho no I think say Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia will get more than what is here. The entire man can say, and Chebia, and 65 members of parliament, Omuyam PP4, Omube Jra Bontain, Ebai Wonankasa Wonanum, Ekache. We are saying in answer, they are going to support Dr. Bawumia. I mean, I'm talking about the head of the head of the hierarchy of the MPP. They came out boldly and they say they are going to support Dr. Bawumia to lead the MPP in 2028. Now, say MP so more parliament in 88. Now, emu 65. Eba be kanchiro say. Their preferred candidate, any Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia, say we will be our you should automatically understand, say it will be very hard for anybody who is contesting for this presidential candidate channel to get even 20% and above. Why am I saying so? The entire makers say. Ene dadwe ya mene wo kasai ye kan krofo mu wotumi wo party no apart from the secretary, the chairman and the national chairman and the national secretary no si yi omu si nchen a omu wotumi wo party no ene omo ne sabio MP for no omu parliament ho no na remember say MP so no omu parliament ho no omu colleagues na omu ntumi ama parliament bi mu no they are all the same still, so they share almost the same ideas in the interest of the party. What am I trying to tell you? The me person men can unto ho asene say yesi enoma a omunta krase enomudi agrobom enti MPs na no mo parliament ya bibinti omo ntumi ansan ama parliament bi mu no they are still the friends and colleagues of the MPs or more parliament. So they do things together and they decide together for the good being of the party. And it is 65% of the MPs no more parliament. Eba Catchlo said they are going all in, all out, openly for Dr. Bawumia. I was say one thing as say the rest of the MPs no more bontena or want to Myanmar parliament be at least 80% of them, they are in line with what the MPs in the parliament are saying. And the post way, it is not even much credible because of say the numbers say also Dr. Bawumia nyano enye ne da hoyi nanu ye wo haya na the former MC for any former DC for nyina abegina bonten openly say they are there for Dr. Bawumia. Now every party, every association, the decisions and painful it automatically the choice of even the lower level people in the party. It is MP for choose doctor. Former DC for no more aban anansimu ni ewo various constituency. Now monsu bejina ma their idea and I say their support or conscious or more support no echo the man Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia Fatu Timi say it wants to tell you say enkrofo omose omoase ewo constituency ho na omo na ye adwuma bo mu no nyina no they are all in clear ideas with their former MC for any former DC for because former DC you know any former MC you know omo na omo ye aban agina munamfo ewo constituency ho enti omo na omo ne the grassroots no link bom omo na omo commanded the grassroots and the delegates in the district enti antraba bi no hu nsre enka say they are scheme, they are not scheming. Everyone in the party wants power. Nipa no omudi party na chia omunima manyosem no they are all after power. Na nipa no omuwo party no omuwo achire ho no they know what it takes to win power. Na nka wakoton enipa ama nipa na timenya 42% of the total vote cast yankase enimu se yankase ehu nipa bi no ankoto aba bebira ankoto aba ye share that demand omo say not to go and vote but yet still our candidate was able to manage to get 42% out of the total vote cast. As it say the man already has his foundations at 42%. And why shouldn't you understand, say, Dr. Bawumia is the person that we must to take him to go and bring us the power that we are all after? Why are you trying to deceive yourself? Why are you trying to deny the reality on the floor? Why? Nano yewo na constituency executives ahodo nso ababonten omoso babonten a omoso omunyina no what they are here for is to come and support Dr. Bawumia, and even they went out there to take forms omo na koje forms libera Dr. Bawumia say onye den submit his candidature we chira wo say no kure say apart from some few people in the MPP because of hatred be abo mumu personal interest be sika nkwase sika bi omo akoji ne baabi ayena meno suntia omo pesa omo make the reality on the floor no clear now omo didi baabi di nsemfo di tia party no all the rest the real loyal people the real osunoko kroko mafo no they are all after Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. And he's going to win. And he's going to win big. The man will win this promise with big margin and is going to catastrophize the NDC in 2028. Temiyepa Papa no or be winning sa election way. Promise where they enemy or be winning with big margin 52 nusa. That is what I want you to understand. 52 nusa. Because how people are proud of this man. And Panya Amamfo Timi Aba Bonten openly Abe declare their support for the man. No. This 52 is small. Second Japan Timi maintaining 17 we could have a dear. It's kind of the mobile now the outcome no. And the bayer dear or Asampa na make sure 52 no dear. Extra. Because Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia deserve more than 52%. This man deserve at least 75%. At least 75. Now Kennedy Ajene 12B. Now Bra Champon Ajene 5B. Now your friend is saying Kwabena Japan so Ajene Kakra. Now you di bibia asini kwaimu. Because doctor is somebody that is going to deliver. Doctor, anybody to me then akwaji to me, you know. Now you will not understand, say Sabio and people amanyo koni nye party bia. Yeah, I want to send this for. So akonya betwa, we give open doors for everybody to contest. So everybody can contest. And nobody is going to Chichiro bin sa Oguna Chiseda be a contest. But another contest. We know, say, some people in the MPP would vote for the other candidates. And it is normal. That is how it's supposed to be. That is democracy. That is what we call democracy. And that is what we call freedom of expression and choice. And the fact is, some people will like Kennedy Japan, Brachempon, or Kwabena Japan. No, hey, normal. But the reality on the ground, say, at the end of the day, no, the outcome of that election is going to be, say, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia is going to win. He's going to win and come out as the leader of the opposition party in the country to massacre the NDC incompetency. Yes, that is what is going to happen. And Timona Sabio broken heart achimo skin pain atomoso ahwaya I broken heart for am people for na broken heart atomoso skin pain ekumo ayam tuo abamoso monne britu breno montomobo na nothing that you can do. Yes, the Yankopon Shirano no or town phone to me say no. The Yankopon Shirano no or town phone into me say no. So far as Yankopon Shishama Dr. Bawumia so no baby party nanim. Amia kwaji to media bano. You cannot use your personal interest to denigrate the promise of the Lord. Temiyepa na menka bibin to assume. You cannot denigrate the promise and the willing of God because of your personal interest. And the percentage where the honor is I'm expecting more. I'm expecting more of this. Now, because I'm on for platform way so Oman social media for the youth Oman what to say Oman so oh say this is what I was talking about too. Me, I'm not saying say you should also be in my lane, but I'm telling you say man, this is my choice, and I can tell you say the choice to lead Dr. Bawumia almost 95%, 95% to win the general election. It is all young people in that election no winning, and they here with there. Then you must to join the winning team and let's go. Now, Mamfonya and Hoyano, Alexander Nsowa, Michelle Yepa. na manfo nya ya hoye ya no, because you cannot do nothing to avoid this victory. It is coming like a kai. It is coming like what? Kakai. Now, yeah, this idea we better abontain na pepe. Kenya Japan crofo no esore ya omuso omwadwa. Na wahu. Yesi Nyankopon pese onku a no ahya ase bo dam. Nyankopon pese onku a no ahya ase bo dam. Ah. Yeah, the power we see abeto ho. Kenya Japan supporters esu. Kenya Japan ankasa ashase etiem maboka radio presenters omo kasa makene de Japan say so omo ashase etwe omo ho, they don't know where to go. Kenya Japan bloggers, they are in confusion. And now the promise sorry ya omo ko fadi we ya ba beto na wa where yes one God want to kill you, he makes you mad before he kills you. Wow, he me be a supposed to a year when you na kind de wo ho. Propose we ye pa. Propose we ye. Propose we when ye. Now tell me the error. Bo can Japan grow forward pa masamedro. So what is actually what is wrong with you? Mia si metishel mo akwa pa. Dia na hamo. I didn't tell Mugu when you must hey, election hub. Kenya Japan is the only one who can run against MPP and Mahama. Hey, I ask some more. Maybe I am in Yantebro for your train on last year. Just say, Kenya Japan Crawford is so sad to the point to say. Oh, Mia, a man say you are open-minded. You are not so what them can say so crazy mind or empty. Say, we are all MPP people, but the important is you must to play the game very gentle, as I'm doing now. Yeah, it is very gentle game in politics. Young question to us anymore. Me, I say, how can you write a post of a poll? Now, what should I say? Kenya Japan is the only one who can run against MPP and Mahama. Now, I want to understand, says Kenya Japan, could run in favor of NPP or he's going to run against NPP. I don't understand this. Mentasio, Ngrofowe. Encrofowe Erika Japan Uncrofo no de omotwire ni o omse Kenya Japan kwa Kenya Japan kwa ene ye nipa obetimi compete with MPP and Mahama, which is which. Well, Yankopon peso mkumwa osdi kan se wadwene obodam Udi kambo dam ansana wow. Now me I want to understand the Kenya Japan supporters. Omode sa flyer we kwa bonten post to comment. Now can they read and see say this is an it is against even their own political leader or more. Oh, now nti man ko school bia o. Nanti 1+1 so Kenya Japan crofo muntumi nkan ntiase. Kenya ohine Japan nkrofo yi nkrofo ya musimu di papa ya chi nkrofo we ya dabia mu ho anamaba MP we si o Kenya Japan nipa DC o so Kenya Japan entronko a modin trosa enem nkotwra de mfamra emeye contradiction with this the modia ban say Kenya Japan is the only one who can run against MPP and Mahama. Well, so Mobobadam. Well, we say Adam Bonasha Siebem. Yeah, Ready Jacopo, young crow for you, young crow for you. Mona moyeman this for to me cancer and for the chere no. Oman say John Dramani Mahama, he is not coming back anymore. So I don't know what they are saying. There be unyante bro for say there be nyanto ye. Let's go deeper. Or see, Kennedy Japan is the only one who can run against NPP and Mahama. And Kennedy Japan, he's going to run the elections against MPP and Onwankasani party. And Mahama you together. One say Uncle Pasha say bo man for them. One say Uncle Pasha say obo modam. Na munipa ne catch them say oh no okote abro party. So that thing say a abro party no and ati afa ne so. Because sase mo dey menti bi da kura. Menti bi da say a potential leader of a party anka say kokunane campaign against his own party. Menti bi da. Enti amam from na no mo mekire me mu say how can Japan run against MPP and Mahama? Apart from the fact say Mahama is not even coming to contest again. And how can next the year kasa Japan ye adwuma man this na no correct. Onse Yankopon ahye ase tete moto. Wa wo se Yankopon ahye ase tete moto amoka manu mu asem te say bayifo. This is what we told you and you forgot to listen. And then mo ankasa mode mo nsema babonten say Japan intention no any say he want to run elections against MPP. Yento aso ne enko yanim we eyanim go asesem ba kon ye de aba. All the way. Yewa ena 65 and PPMPs babo tembeka same way and it Ghana for 10 years pa.
The number as at today that we have on our books as to those who have declared support, and I'm choosing my words carefully so that I'm not misquoted. Those who have declared support and on our books or have put their names down as having convincingly convinced themselves that they are supporting Dr. Bawumia is about 65. I'm jumping the gun. I, as the representative of the people of Mampong, it is my position and my conviction as their representative that, again, in the circumstances, Dr. Bawumia stands tall and taller and tallest of all those who have, as at now, indicated their interest to contest the flag bearership of the party.
So what? 65 out of the 88 MPs have declared support for Dr. Bawumia. This is a message from the Mampon Ampia ene Ojina Mudine Nkweti say MP. Ono ane bekaye. Oso no na ye omu leader. Enti post na aba abonten no. E ma na nye onwoma onkotwere nsemfo meto abonten because it doesn't make sense. Post we ya aba beto abonten no. E ma na nye onwoma se obekwa abonten akotwere nsemfo we ya aba beto no de agu oni mase. Kennedy Japan can never win this primaries. Kennedy Japan hono on to me win this primaries man ye because the support base no every do so because of his atrocity or yeah. Now where say unim Kennedy Japan the person ye then you get yourself can say you get yourself confused because Papa they can say he's going to do something. He said it. Listen to what he said that he's going to do. Tie.
If all the executives, the current executives, if they don't lose, I'll form a political party. All the current executives, including Yabuabia Samoa, if they don't vote them out, I'll form a political party.
To what end?
To what end? Abro. And the name of the political party will be Abro.
Aha, into keka wonsem say na sabio amanfo modo party make their decision not to go by you are. Then people get angry outside there say no. The Kennedy Agyapong is somebody that we need. No, we don't need Kennedy Agyapong, but we rather need Dr. Bawumia to come and lead the party for the victory. Now, Mona Mosada Moses Amina Bawumia. Now, listen. Say, yeah, bro, and a Kennedy Agyapong, or yeah, the yeah. Look at when the men in the MPP, when they meet together, how beautiful it is. But you bron some frayemu. You bron some frayemu tia ya na judagu. Now look at this. Yatobasio MPP mumpa info akesefo na agina mu na omu nyina kwa koshia. How beautiful is this? Look at this. A winning force. But we are unlucky say ye wo Judas bi wo yemu. Contract riba akutwi fa ne so na wadwa obegu party sesia. Contract ba ko pe etwi fa papa yi so a when be ba so na party ne to opposition on fa ho kora. Look at how beautiful when the men in the MPP join hands together and become one force. Look at it.
Afraid and the newly elected president.
Honorable Kwame such a Kwame, see and criminal, you're a chairman, into your Ramame, or see another deep one on about the demo. So and a Kuko traditional council, one of my other chairman, say, and nay and Pimmy, no.
Yes, you are. Ajalunye, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, the organic love that people has for this man. If you look at masses, where nobody wanted to tell them to wave this man. No, they are doing it organically. Not you will nipa say wo ho. Musi there be my amfane ma. Yen kofa de obe chiachia no kon akire yen. Yen kofa de obe didi atem. Dabi. Look at this gentleman. Everyone loves this man. Everyone in MPP or you're conscious enough believes this man is the man that can lead the party and make the party proud. Look at men and women clapping over there and shouting. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ni ye woni pa se yesi yempe. Na yesori a na ye keka nsemfo bi se yewura Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia because of say o ware oba bi a ne fan ye fulani ni ntino, he should not come and lead the party and also to represent the country. Yentie sa analysis we mra.
Na ye friend Kwame Yeboah enye the deep no the deep ho but ye friend Kwame Yeboah o katwi konkon today we ye Ghana bibia bi we Ghana bibia bi but the papa na mama na ye Italian the papa na mama ye Italian. Now this guy Kofi ye boy man we friend Kojo Choi of South Korea. Ne papa ne mama ni na South Koreans but obo ba Ghana at the tender age and in 1999 on naturalized man Ghana and then President Mahama appointed a branch we say as an ambassador, Ghana ambassador to South Korea. Munche you Ghana ambassador to South Korea. Ne papa ne mama ni na South Koreans. We ne papa ne mama ni na Italians but Sabira Bawumia ne papa ye Ghanaian ne mama ne ye Fulani. So what? When never position abaya ambassador ewo Ghana na Samira Bawumia na se ne maame yes ayi Fulani ni ena ne papa ye Ghana ni want to be ye pen say first lady yentimi to no fo aba ma ne be first lady. What kind of analogy is this? Empanyfua ese sebo kakasade ene kasa hotiman kwara follow no what one man no ke kan no ma e be reverse the progress of the party. Jerry Rollins Ghana ni papa from Scotland, the papa is Scottish, but Jerry Rollins was able to rule this country for 19 good years. As so much as we want go muase. Say the candidate now we near obey campaign the MPP. We come here sure so your campaign the MPP. How can you say that? Say yankoto abama obia na ere ye Ghana ni papa ye ma make some trouble. Say Dr. Mamudu Bawumia winning flag bearer now. There's no way that this man will campaign for Dr. Bawumia. Why MPP ni but obey juma de tia MPP say MPP be sat in opposition. Tiye te say 2024 ni esi ye no. Say MPP fo bi ko kan go bi ho ekoye campaign di tia NPP no sa na be ye na Kompreku to come again to condemn this man. And Kompreku should come out and condemn the statement that Papa we say making. And that's how Papa be good the campaign. When your man before Papa your man before and your politics sa ye chichebu sa.
Enti temiye pa some na ye can very serious so. Enya group na ye die enti mono Kennedy Japan krofo na money asem papaka money message about your candidate na your friend bisa ne said dear no person mra menye magana afedi oso be fere nyom tofo ama mo abe national anthem obesi hotel wonso mfimfini. That messages sell them to the delegates and let the delegates buy that messages na munya is Samira Bawumia ni kunu. Because you defend the papa no, we can talk about the man's ideas are so unique. Solve the majority of our problems that we are facing as a country. Me aba nana akuya afro me mo akwa pa. Temiye pa. Kennedy Japan supporters no. We are not urging you not to support Kennedy. No, I can't. We are a democratic party and everybody has the right to choose whom he wants to be the leader of the party. But my personal attack na mo de ko papa na yere no so no and I catch them say stop that because that is not how we go for an internal elections. Sabi you see obi osun takrache and nipa doma ni one so ye jitum say Dr. Bawumia ye a leading and a winning person of this premise, but that does not give you the audacity to insult or to attack his personality for no reason by making stupid comment. And anere ne fan full anini Rollins and papa yes Scottish obedi or minus 19 good years no utimi kasa fa ho papa panyini babia wanyina durui wo fra kente adehye ni nyansafo ne fra na obetra ho ebe kan kwase asem jimi sem in politics for your own party. Now mo yarinti ye to abani wi a eho na mo behu mo wie ye to promise ni wie February 2026 second third ni abobo wie eho na mo behu ba bia mo bogina mo wie ye bet say Alan won say na Alan say Alan no ankasa ma me pa chew. So MPP party no more. There is no way that he can come back. And ne oteho hu de onye. The kwasiam panyin hopes na doya. Okodi na chi enam nkwasiasem ne me nko me pa die wu. A omodi free party no no. And ne ehe na omo nyina sensen wiem aframfram to wawu. Aframfram to wawu. Enam soma mo nso sumawu aka aframfram to ho. In Ghana political, as we talk today, hopes na doye any alancha maintain uti omudia now they are making unnecessary comment. And uti omudia, it means that people are making fun of their names. Someone who ye and Crofona Makodi Canada Japan chia Mosi Mudi Kanachi until you want to denigrate the image of your own party, no, but we yes ana beye. Munya kwasiake kani jimeke kana mumubunu nyini. You need to teach us, the new men in the party, how we have to conduct ourselves. But you people are actually telling us how we can be rude in the front of elderly men. Munya isa le muamo. Diamo yano emfata mokra. Kwaya mofaso kasano. That is not how it goes. Because when the MPP is a united force, when we keep our internal elections cool, when we keep them as one family near 20 years, at the end of the day, who wins, we all come back and support that person with massive respect. And yet, it is actually dividing the party into two. Because Brachampon, Kwabena Japan, any Yewia Yaw Adutri Mudie, we know say they do understand politics very well and they are not doing any bias. They are coming back to support Dr. Bawumia as soon as we finish the election. Some of them want to even donate money for the party. So their candidature is also a form of donating money to support the party. But Munipana Mudine Chino, he has different intention. Now, some intention or one a little bit, you can say a hatred into he is endorsing you people to stay shit against the party. But ye Emma so because here to abani we are Kennedy Baba Bontain Abeka same way at the actual supporters here.
Kwabena na boka them chura where she come cook just for information. Utoa
Okay.
That's unfortunate.
What do we do? What the power will we are sent here? Again, not wait.
Oh no. Don't care about it.
This party. Almost one Mamanaku. Nanem Libya. Miss Woman and Kanswa, and
yes, it is a one Casazo so my Dr. Bawumia in Nidia. Monheni Yepa. We are using your own words to what you pin. And the other Maya no miano. The Archibino. Mene. So we say you don't want the presidency of Dr. Bawumia to happen now. It is over to you one okay. Wa ma yon kwentwa nkwa usu ntwa nuruda. Entiken ne nkrofo montomobo na de Nyankopon hira no otamfo ntumi nse no. Munya the personal attacks no emoamo. And yes, at the end of the day you guys are going to cry in the room. And Mawie enye papa. You want to see the MPP men join hands together as here. When I ever say you say MPP from point for a way.
Na watchde di mo sanso na kuko traditional council onon ba ya yero chairman wa mo say enai empimi no ada wana maka wana mo apo obaya wotin for chairman wada roma yes,
The number as at today that we have on our books as to those who have declared support, and I'm choosing my words carefully so that I'm not misquoted. Those who have declared support and on our books or have put their names down as having convincingly convinced themselves that they are supporting Dr. Bawumia is about 65 of jumping the gun. I, as the representative of the people of Mampong, it is my position and my conviction as their representative that, again, in the circumstances, Dr. Bawumia stands tall and taller and tallest of all those who have, as at now, indicated their interest to contest the flag bearership of the party.
Yes, Abusia, now say the segment we ebesiha. Dr. Bawumia still stand tall to win the 2028 election. MPP flag bearership program not there. There is nothing that you can do about that. Eti the way ebesiha na yakoya nim edin semfufro abremo. Na yakoya nim so dia we cannot go without not talking about Yankrophobinum. Me Vivian Kuma me mwakwa pa. Yakoya nim so dia na we are coming with another thing. Very, very interesting. Very, very insightful.
What is our
Nona, that we want to say. Yeah, by a name so dia we are coming with another episode and they are very, very particularly interested. Intimation say but modern atnase. Na me no for dwumade no enhyehyɛ so. Like video no mame na share so eka ho. And then so na your first time on our platform we so don't forget to subscribe to become part of Ras Media family. Abusiamfo okuja tabra kwa kodin trofufro. Enche bia okuja tabra kwa babonte be kan say we reduce the prices of passport from 500 Ghana of the ordinary Ghana passport to 350 Ghana cedis for the ordinary passport. But before we go, now listen to this comic.
What is our use in the country? Is this covenant? Is this covenant? Is this covenant? Is this covenant?
Enya mamwona ya oka say abula munsu. Enya mamwona ya abula munsu. Empanifo me yedai. Fa wo jemi tra wa so da mo na ton abula munsu. Nyamu na moto bosa kwa to mo ni triso. Esa mo bon pa ya barba mo so le ma kwa ton kwase ama. Di jimi bi. Wa ton abula munsu di jimi amafo a ewi amaka say di amamwoni na ya amamwona ya di. Fa jimi